Should you flip real estate or hold it for cash flow? Ask most any investor about the real estate they've flipped and you'll hear them lament the ones they wish they still own. They're worth a fortune now. But they flip for a reason, to generate fast cash. So which is better? In this video, we'll explore flipping versus rentals, and you'll discover why house flipping is one of the best small businesses there is, why rentals are a critical part of building long-term wealth, and how to determine which is best for you. I'm Brian Bush with Freedom Mentor, and for nearly 20 years, our organization has coached and mentored many of America's most successful real estate investors. We've been a part of thousands of deals and helped countless investors make big money flipping houses, but also taught them how to build a portfolio of long-term holdings for true freedom. We're going to share some of that wisdom with you today. If you have any questions through this video, text FREEDOM to 305-315-8030 or comment below. So what is flipping? House flipping is buying a property, typically one that's in rough shape, taking on the rehab headaches and all the hidden surprises, and then hopefully reselling that property for a big profit. When done right, house flips can earn solid profits and occasionally are big home runs. We're talking six figures. But that's certainly not typical. You hit a lot of singles before you load the bases for a grand slam. Most will claim potential for $25,000 to $50,000 in net profits, but that's really based on the average gross profit, which is currently around $65,000. Everything depends on how you do the deal, especially if you're rehabbing. Now, if you've been following our channel, you know we hands down prefer the quick nickel over the slow dime, and we do not buy dependent on rehab to be profitable. So it's really all about flipping the right deals, which do not have to include long, expensive rehabs, which is what we teach our apprentices. Flipping houses can make great money, but you can also lose your shirt. Don't learn the hard way and squander all your hard-earned cash, not to mention your most precious commodity, your time. Phil has a classic video on the secret to flipping houses that is required viewing before you dive into any house flip. But if done right, flip just 2 to 3 houses a year and you're likely earning more than 80% of Americans. So is flipping for fast cash better than rentals? Well, while house flipping is great considering you're doing the right deals, you of course have to keep actively flipping to keep earning income. It's certainly not a passive income strategy. Passive income is when you're making money with little to no active involvement. House flipping is very much active income. Let's consider in comparison rental investing. You're still buying a property, whether it needs work or not, but you're planning to hold it long term and rent the property. The rent should pay underlying property maintenance, financing costs, and hopefully still provide excess positive cash flow, a monthly return on investment, ROI, which is income. But holding rental property is less about cash returns in the near term and more about growing your cash over time as the value of your real estate hopefully goes up. That increase in value over time is appreciation. And rental investments bring another benefit, depreciation. It's when investors can deduct their basis in an investment property over a period of time, which allows a reduction in taxable income. Those are the big three benefits that no other investment provides simultaneously: appreciation, depreciation, and income. To learn more, check out our video, Real Estate is Always the Best Investment. But again, you have to do it right. There are plenty of traditional investors out there pursuing appreciation, depreciation, and income the slow, painful, hard way that involves a lot more competition, a lot more debt, and a lot more risk. You need lots of capital, great income and credit, and an abundance of time to reap the eventual rewards. But what if you don't have all the time and money in the world to waste reinventing the wheel? That's why having a mentor is hands down the best way to approach the question of flipping versus rentals.
Every successful real estate investor has a mentor. Get mentored by me and my team by applying to be my next apprentice. Click the top corner.
As we continue to look at both to determine which is better, we really should be sure our comparison is one of apples to apples. So let's consider your typical results. If you're flipping houses, what are you making on your flips? If it's only $5,000 or $10,000 because you don't know what you're doing, that's not a fair comparison. If you're not averaging well over $20,000 per flip net, you're doing the wrong deals. Don't pay too much competing, don't be forced to rehab as the only way to profit, and don't be limited by the cash and credit you have available. Get a mentor that can show you how to navigate through all those challenges successfully. If you're holding rentals, what kind of properties are you holding? If it's only traditional single-family rentals and you're not buying with a lot of equity, using other people's credit, or focusing on 2 to 4 units to optimize cash flow potential, or even determining strategic locations for short-term rentals, you're not getting the kind of return on investment you should be aiming for. You want high ROI rentals, and you don't achieve that with traditional single-family homes in comparison. Phil has an excellent video where he's very much biased when comparing the right flip deals with traditional rentals. Check out Flipping versus Renting Houses, where he gets into all the real net profit details that no one else out there shares. So which is better for you will come down to whether you're flipping or renting the right deals to maximize the potential for each opportunity. You also have to consider your own personal situation and any challenges you may have at present. Where are you at with your finances? What kind of time do you have available? And also, what are your immediate and long-term goals? First, finances. If you're not already generating consistent income where you can comfortably cover your living expenses and set aside at least a little for retirement savings, you're really not positioned to build a rental portfolio just yet. In that case, you should definitely be flipping houses to create more cash to invest. After several flips, then you can work towards finding the right properties to hold as rentals. So again, where are you? Do you have solid income, or are you still trying to build that stable foundation? That's going to influence which you focus on right now, flipping or rentals. Next, let's consider time versus money. For most, that's a never-ending, stressful trade-off, and you're always looking to strike the right balance so you can maintain focus on the priorities in your life. Back to active and passive income, flipping requires a lot more immediate time and effort, but it's short-term, and once complete, you hopefully have a big payday to make it worthwhile. Rentals, on the other hand, typically start out active. You have to find it and buy it and do what's needed to get it ready to rent and stabilized, and then it can move to a more passive investment. So the time you can commit in conjunction with your financial position will factor into your focus. But what if you're struggling with both? You don't have enough stable income and time is flying by and you need to build that portfolio for retirement wealth yesterday. That's where starting out flipping the right deals to build cash and then growing into the right rental holdings with high ROI is the best strategy. Another challenge for some is how to accomplish their goals. Will flipping or rentals allow me to get where I want to go and in the time frame I have? You probably heard it stated, most people overestimate what they can do in 1 year, but they underestimate what they can do in 10. Do you have clear, challenging, but attainable goals? Are you positioned to achieve them? In other words, do you have the resources to reach them, whether that's cash, credit, or the right knowledge and skills? That's actually where many of our apprentices begin. They need guidance. We help them develop and execute the right plans to utilize creative real estate investing techniques to make up for lost time, transform their finances, and achieve their goals. Again, that's why doing the right deals with the right mentoring is so very critical.
Be sure to get your free copy of my best-selling book, How to Be a Real Estate Investor, and that comes with the audiobook version as well. Click the top left corner.
So back to our original question once more, flipping versus rentals, which is better? Hopefully the answer is clear now, no matter what challenges you may be facing. In short, the answer is both. Flip single-family properties for big cash, and then selectively along the way, collect trophy rentals, which will typically mean rent-to-owns, 2 to 4 unit multifamilies, and the right short-term rentals. The right combination of flipping and rentals will yield you lots of house flipping cash and help you consistently build your portfolio of high ROI rentals that will amplify your wealth building and your long-term returns. It's the combination that can absolutely transform your life and give you the freedom that real estate can uniquely provide to anyone that's ready to do the hard work and just needs the right wealth vehicle. It's why real estate is the best small business there is, and it's how we at Freedom Mentor have been able to transform the lives of so many of our apprentices by mentoring and coaching them into world-class real estate investing professionals. If you want the very best in your corner, helping you every step of the way, apply to our apprentice program, where our team will mentor, coach, and guide you to financial success. There's a link in the description and at the top. Again, if you have any questions for us, text FREEDOM to 305-315-8030 or comment below. And if you haven't read it, get your free copy of the best-selling book, How to Be a Real Estate Investor. I'm Brian Bush with freedommentor.com. If you gain any more real estate wisdom through this video, be sure to like and subscribe, and let us know below how we can help you achieve freedom.
Would you like to be coached by me and my team? Every successful real estate investor has a mentor. Discover how you can be mentored by us through our apprentice program by clicking above.